CapCut is the most popular free video editor right now. But what if I told you there are AI editors that do the same thing with half the effort? If you're a content creator, you'll probably spend hours editing videos. What if AI could do 80% of the work for you? Tested 5 AI video editors head-to-head, some free, some freemium, and I'm going to show you which one is actually the best. Let's go. Start with the King CapCut. You probably already know this one. It's free, it's powerful, and it has some AI features built in. What CapCut does well: auto captions, probably the best in the game. Background remover, text-to-speech voices, huge template library, works on phone and desktop. The downside: still have to do most of the editing manually. Dragging clips, trimming, adding effects, it's all you. CapCut gives you tools, but you do the work. Rating: 8 out of 10. Great editor, but not fully AI powered. Editor number 2, Clipchamp. This is Microsoft's free video editor, and it comes built into Windows 11. What's good? Text-to-speech with dozens of AI voices. Auto-compose feature arranges clips for you. Stock footage library built in. Simple drag-and-drop interface. Exports directly to YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn. The downside? The AI features are basic compared to others. It feels more like a traditional editor with some AI sprinkled on top. Rating: 6 out of 10. Good for beginners, but nothing groundbreaking. Number 3, Runway ML. Now this is where it gets interesting. Runway is an actual AI-first video editor. We're talking generate entire video clips from text prompts. Remove any object from video with AI. Change backgrounds without a green screen. AI color grading, motion tracking, text-to-video generation. This is the most advanced AI video editor that exists right now. Hollywood studios are using it. The problem? Free tier is very limited. You get about 125 credits, which runs out fast. Paid plans start at $12 per month. Rating: 9 out of 10 for features, but 6 out of 10 for free users. Editor number 4, Descript. This one changes the game completely. Instead of a traditional timeline editor, Descript lets you edit video like a text document. Seriously, your video gets transcribed and you edit by deleting or rearranging words. Delete a sentence from the transcript, it deletes from the video. Key features: edit video by editing text. This is revolutionary. AI filler word removal removes every, automatically. Eye contact correction AI makes you look at the camera even when you weren't. AI voices clone your voice or use stock voices. Screen recording built in. Automatic captions. The free plan gives you 1 hour of transcription per month. Paid starts at $24 per month. Rating: 9 out of 10. Best for podcasters and talking head videos. And finally, number 5, Canva Video. The underrated one. Most people know Canva for graphics, but their video editor has gotten seriously good AI-powered magic design. Describe your video and it creates a template. Huge stock footage and music library. Auto captions. Text-to-speech. Beat sync automatically. Syncs cuts to music. BrandKit integration. Works entirely in browser. Nothing to download. For faceless YouTube channels especially, Canva is perfect. You pick a template, swap in your content, add voiceover, done. Rating: 8 out of 10. Best for beginners and faceless channels. So here's my final ranking. For beginners and faceless channels, Canva Video, easiest, fastest. For podcasters and talking head, Descript edit video like text. For advanced AI effects, Runway ML, nothing beats it. For all-round free editing, CapCut, still the king of free. For Windows users who want simple, Clipchamp, decent, and built-in, my personal pick: if you're just starting out, use Canva or CapCut. They're free and get the job done. Once you're making money from your channel, upgrade to Descript or Runway. Links to every editor are in the description. Try them out and let me know in the comments which one's your favorite. If this helped you, smash that subscribe button. New AI tool videos every week. See you in the next one.